노해도 그렇게 이제 불에 돌림도 나고. Khoupum Lungnim ha. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lungnim XYZ and you are watching my video right now. Now it is 4:30 a.m. in the morning, 4 January 2021. I feel really cold, but then I just want to make this video right for you. Today I'm going outing to a beautiful hidden valley surrounded by a beautiful hill. I'm going to go in that particular place today itself. So I have visited once, but then due to the ongoing global situation, I was not able to enjoy and have fun according to my expectation. But today is the right chance to enjoy as much as I can. Today I'm not going to go alone, but with all the people, with all the youth from SBC. We have really fun here. So guys, it's going to have a lot of fun, a lot of entertainment. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Right now I am on the way. It is still dark outside, you can see. Early in the morning, early to bed and early to rise. You can see. Woo! I feel so cold, so I wear a 2-layer of jacket. I wear a mask. I wear a cap. Good morning. Good morning. Huh. This is the vehicle that I'm going to go. Right now we are preparing to go. We reached the church. We are gathering together. This is our pastor, and this is the church. This is the church. We are about to pray before we start our journey. So right now we finish praying, so we are about to start our journey.
right now we are on the way to go to Khoupum, and we stopped the vehicle for our need. Some of them are taking sunbath and taking selfie.
I want your Google, sir.
You want my Google?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
This is so expensive, okay?
Control it.
Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more interesting video. And if you already subscribed, I really thank you. I really appreciate you. And if you're from Khoupum, make sure you share for your parents or friends and relatives and whatever. Right now we reach Khoupum. We are going to go to waterfall and have food. We didn't have food for morning, so this is the place. Tụi mình gần thà, thấy nắp đây tụi mình gần nắp đã.
Nắp gần.
Câu giờ tạm âm tạm xin. Mấy tụi mình nhá. Dần gần gì? Finally, we reached the waterfall. It is so beautiful. You can see, it's so beautiful. This is called Khoupum waterfall. I will make you see clearly and nearly and in detail. This is the waterfall. You can see, up, high in the sky.
Khoupum waterfall.
Ini apa? Kado.
Khoupum waterfall.
Khoupum waterfall ni. Hawaii nang sibo.
Hawaii ni thế, sắp tay rồi Hawaii thế.
Nang lo ni Khoupum doang ning babo. Mesti dah kau.
Gọi nó press.
Press ni.
Press đình thấy. Ngày đình thấy, người ta ngang gọi đến doang lo pun nak. Bây nak này là thấy.
So I want to have a little adventure, you know. I don't want to be a normal people, you know. I'm entering here. You can see. I'm going closer, even closer. You can see that rainbow was so beautiful. It is the rainbow. You can see the waterfall falling down from above. This was really beautiful, and I can't even express by my mouth, you know. I feel so fresh, so energetic, and also so lovely, so emotional, you know. I just can't express, you know. Can you see that? Ngoài đây.
Ngoài hay ngoài?
Đúng rồi đấy rồi. Các bạn không xì bò. Cùng toàn năng lượng không cùng toàn nính bò.
Ni ra guang dong ban siam sa ni ani muang ni sa de na. Sa tang thui ra ma khai. Hawaii ni sa ni Lungnim with thiếu xuống đấy. Để sao đi vậy đúng vậy hả? Ai có mình đấy. Ai có đi.
Nên cái lúc nào Quay đây. Quay đây. Quay đây cái núi đó, quay đây. Quay đây.
Thằng nắp tim mà mà.
Quay đây.
Quay này.
Nó là nằm rồi cái kia.
Cái đuôi lòng thân.
We finished eating our food, so right now we are about to leave this waterfall. We are going to go another place again. We are going to go to another place. Tagay na ko. We are leaving the waterfall and we are about to go to another place. It was really beautiful. It was a wonderful experience. Tagay đây.
Tagay thế.
Tagay thế à? Cùng bò, lâu ninh cùng đón ninh của bò.
Là cái dạng thế.